Hello and welcome to a film produced by Team Conjet. Our intention with this film is to show you how you replace and adjust the step sensor. You will need these tools and these parts to complete this task. So let's get started. With the tracks extended, remove the lid over the step sensor. Disconnect the cable to the step sensor. Verify that the cable is intact by connecting the new sensor. If the sensor illuminates, the cable is okay and the new sensor is working. Perform this check before replacing the sensor, just to make sure that the problem is the sensor and not the cable. Remove the faulty sensor. Install the new by threading it all the way in until it touches the bottom. Unwind 2 turns and lock the sensor temporarily. Fit the cable to the new sensor. Unlock the sensor, and if the sensor is illuminated, unwind it until it just goes off. If the sensor is not illuminated, screw it in until it just goes on. Lock the sensor in this position and check the reading. If the percentage is too low, less than 40, the sensor needs to come out. And if the percentage is too high, more than 60, the sensor needs to go in a bit. When adjusting the sensor, turn it 45 degrees, in or out, lock it and recheck the reading. Refit the lid over the step sensor.